Just experiencing the difference between holding in stillness and then feeling the movement and exploring that a little bit. We're going to work the whole body today, and then maybe energetically, mentally, just noticing the difference. How does it feel to be still? How does it feel to move and to flow? And just see all of that with a little bit of curiosity. We ain't judging anything here. Pop your cushion if you need it underneath the head, turning the head to the side, make sure the back of the neck is long, and then thread the right arm underneath the left with the palm of the hand facing the ceiling, and then just rest the head down here. And then exhale, thread it behind the right wrist, palm faces the ceiling, inhaling up. And we'll take about 5 of these. Exhale, thread it through. So again, just noticing the difference physically between holding in stillness and finding this little bit of movement. And just square everything towards the front of the mat. So our feet are about hip distance apart here. And you can just stay with hands on the hips, maybe hands at the heart. And again, just finding a little stillness here. So we're gently drawing the low belly in, noticing where you feel that stretch, most likely through the front of that back hip. Just take a couple more breaths here, breathing deeply all the way down to the belly. Last big breath. And then we'll find a little movement from here. So just make sure your base is nice and stable, pressing into the base of that front big toe. Keep your gaze down. We're going to inhale the arms up. And then exhale here. On your next inhale, we're going to cactus the arms and just find a little dip forward. So we're literally just bending that front knee, sending the hips forwards. Exhale up. So we're inhaling to come down, but we're lifting the chest up slightly. And then exhale. So we're opening up the chest with that inhale as we cactus the arms. Exhale, let's do 2 more. Again, noticing the difference between movement and stillness. Maybe one feels more natural to you than the other. And 1 for luck. I think that was 6. Maybe as we move into our day, taking this off the mat, acknowledging that we need both stillness and movement. Taking a big breath here. And exhale, sigh and smile. And blinking the eyes open. Let's take 1 more of those big breaths in together. Take the arms up as we inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. Thank you so much for being here.